Hi, welcome to another portion of Lederhosen Salesforce. And this portion is about Einstein Analytics. They changed the architecture a great deal. Here, as you can see, before you had to choose the 50 columns and the 50 data fields manually. For Einstein to do analytics, you had to choose and guess which 50 fields you're going to choose to put into the analytics engine, the Analytics Studio of Einstein. Big change this year is it's now automated. Einstein will choose those fields for you, and he'll change them again and again. So all of a sudden, it makes it super easy. No manual field picking. Like, how long does it take to pick 50 fields? Like 10 minutes each. All of a sudden you're looking at 500 minutes. That's a couple hours in a busy day. You don't have that kind of time to run an Einstein Analytics Studio. And the second page here is the model manager, right? The model manager then does predictions for you. It gives you warnings. It helps set up and be a predictor on each field, right? It also gives you a value of the actual outcomes, and then it helps you define the terminal state. Like, what are you looking for? Like, what's a key thing here? And this is a game changer. The new Einstein Analytics Studio is automatic. It helps you really choose fields. It's dynamic. It just makes life easier and really gives you good analytics back. And with that, I want to say thank you for watching this short tutorial on Analytics Studio. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.